Hey guys, it's Craig at Area 419, walking you through our large and ever-growing family of ARCALOCK products, starting with universal rails, some specialty rails, all of our attachments, and some new additions to the product line. So guys, let's talk about rails. The universal ARCALOCK rail is something we rolled out a handful of years ago, and our intent was for that product, as well as all of our universal rails, to fit on the broadest number of rifles possible with the least amount of work possible. If you don't know which rail length is right for you, go to the description. We'll have a link to another video there that shows you how to measure, how you may add T-nuts for mounting points, everything you need to know about mounting. Check out the links in the description. So we've got lengths of 4-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, 14-inch, and new to the lineup, 17-inch to cover those longest fore ends. If you've got an MDT ACC or you've got an MPA matrix and you want to add the locking to your ARCA system, this is the way to do it. Again, new product to the lineup, the 17-inch universal ARCALOCK rail. As we get into our specialty products, we've got a really popular one, the 14.25-inch weight adjustable ARCALOCK rail. You can put up to 5 of these brass weights in here to tune the amount and position of the weight that helps your rifle achieve balance. Into more specialty, we've got the 12-inch key mod rail. We've got new to the lineup, 6-inch MLock rails available in black and FDE. Note, FDE is a spectrum, so the one that I've got here is one color FDE. There are a whole lot of them in the same boxes that come from Anodize. So if you're the guy that needs 50 shades of FDE on your rifle, this is for you. We've also got 12-inch MLock. New to the lineup, we have a rail specifically for the Barrett MRAD, or more specifically, the Mark 22 sniper system. We've got our long-standing MPA BA rail, as well as AX rail for AI rifles. This is the 11-slot model. It'll work on any of those fore ends. This is one that we've had for a little bit and has been a really good solution for guys with AIs that want a full-length ARCALOCK rail. On the attachment side, the core of the system is the ARCALOCK clamp. It's been very popular for us, and you'll find them all through the retail world. It's the clamp of choice for the Atlas system, and it's been very popular with the Harris adapter for converting the ever-solid Harris bipod to ARCALOCK. We also sell complete kits. This is my personal Atlas Cal bipod. For me, it's the best one on the market for PRS-type shooting. I think it does all of the things that you want a bipod to do and is terribly robust. We have barricade stops that can attach to the clamps, universal stops that you can put on your rail and bolt down to have something a little bit more permanent and solid. From bag management, we've got the original rail changer rail. This has been popular specifically with our grip changer bag for something compact, light. It's useful whether you're taking it out hunting or you need to fit into a tight spot in a PRS barricade. And then the popular Rail Changer X. This is generation 2 with the arm lock. Gives you something a little more tactile, a little more robust to keep that arm closed and keep your bag on your system. And finally, one last new thing coming to the Area 419 ARCALOCK family is something we're doing with 2 Vets tripods, offering tripods with ball heads, with ARCALOCK clamps, all at one time. We're gonna do another video on those, so go to the link in the description, check that out. And guys, if you have any comments, drop them below. We love seeing those, we love responding to them. And any suggestions you have, we like seeing those too. So until next time,